Though I have the book, can you just narrate, show that, find the values of x for which the function y equal to x into x minus 2, and the whole thing is a square. Whole thing is a square, is an increasing function in x. So find value of x for y to be increasing. That's what is being asked to us, right? Find the value, find the values of x for which y. Okay, let's do this. So we write f of x is equal to x into x minus 2, how much? Whole square. Right. So break it further. F of x becomes how much? X square minus 2x whole square. Fine. So our f of x becomes x4 minus 4x cube plus 4x square. Clear? x4 minus 4x cube plus 4x square. x4 minus 4x cube. So let's do f dash x. 4x cube minus 12x square plus 8x. Clear? Okay. At critical point, 4x cube minus 12x square plus 8x should be equal to 0. So take 4x, we can take common. So this becomes x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Right, bacha? So we get x equal to 0 is one option. And if you break this, so this becomes x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 is equal to 0, or you get a x minus 2, x minus 2, that is a minus 1 is equal to 0, or x minus 2, x minus 1 is equal to 0. So you get x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1. These are the three, what you call, critical points that we have obtained. Right, children? Aajao. So we have a value which is x is 0, 1, 2. So we have 0, we have 1, and we have 2. So we have to check where the function is constantly increasing. Okay. So let's check for f of f dash minus 1. F dash minus 1. So if you take f dash minus 1, this should be equal to 4x cube, that is, it becomes a negative 4, minus 12x square. So it's still a negative. So this will be negative 12. And this is still negative, right? Negative 8. So finally, this is negative. So at this zone, the function is decreasing. Okay. Let's take f of half, f dash half. So if you take f dash half, so half cube is 1 by 8. Yeah, 1 by 8 multiplied by 4, so it becomes half. Okay? Half is 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and 12, so this becomes minus 3. And half means 4. So 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 plus half. So this is a positive entry. So here the function is increasing. Then let's take f of 3 by 2. F dash 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is 1.5, right? Yeah, 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means we will get a 4, 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, and we'll have an 8. Then we have minus 12, 9 divided by 4 plus 8 into 3 by 2. So let's see, 4 2s are 8. So this is 27 by 2, so 13.5. This is 4 3s are 12, so 9 3s are 27. This part gives me negative, and with this part you are trying to add 2 4s are 8, right? And 4 3s are 12. So we have to solve this now. So no point in home. So let's solve this. So 13.5 is 27 is minus 13.5, right? And plus 12. So this is negative. Function is decreasing in this slot. And then let's take f dash of 3. If you take f dash of 3, 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. 27 times 4 minus 12 into 9 plus 8 into 3 is 24. So 34 is how much, beta? 120. 120. So this is positive. 12 into 9. I think this should be positive. $132 minus 108. 132 minus 108. So this is positive. The function is increasing. So the function is increasing. 0 1, x belongs to 0 1 union x belongs to 2 positive infinity. Function is at this interval. Just check. 0 1 and 2 infinity. Question number 8. So now I think I've got a grasp of these problems, right? Is this done in school?
Yeah, we just
Okay, but you're getting a good hangover now of this. Chalo. Next. Trigonometric is starting now. Prove that. Question. Prove that y is equal to 4 sine theta by 2 plus cos theta. 4 sine theta by 2 plus cos theta. 2 plus cos theta. And then the whole thing has with a minus theta. Is an increasing function of theta is increasing. What is the interval? 0 pi by 2. 0 pi by 2. We have to show that in this interval it is increasing. So show it between 0 pi by 2. So let's say this is our 0 and this is our pi by 2. Here we have to show that the function is increasing. Acha, how will you do such problems? Just tell me, now that we have got a fair bit of idea. It is asking show that it is increasing out here. So just try to find out what is f dash x, and between 0 pi by 2 you can take a pi by 4 and punch pi by 4 and see. Let's do that. Okay, is increasing function in this. So let's do f of x is equal to 4 sine theta divided included 0 and pi by 2 also. Yeah, correct. It's included. 2 plus cos theta minus theta. Now this is not f of x, this is f of theta. Y equal to theta, is increasing in theta. So this is f of theta. This is not parametric, or not. This is y in terms of theta. So f of theta. So let's solve this. How will you solve? First will be 2 plus cos theta whole square, then 2 plus cos theta multiplied with, you will always have a 4, and you will have cos theta minus 4 sin theta into 0 minus sin theta. ठीक है, minus 1. Four sin theta, this will be 0, so this will be 0 and minus cos theta. So let's solve this. So I'm taking my 4 common so far. Let the 4 be here. So what all do I have? I have 2 cos theta plus cos square theta minus, so this will become a plus sin square theta divided by 2 plus cos theta whole square minus 1. Okay, so we get 8 cos theta divided by 2 plus cos theta whole square minus 1 f dash theta. F dash theta. Shall we check here? F dash 0. What is f dash 0? Sin 0 0, cos 0 1. So it becomes 8 into 1 divided by 2 plus 1 whole square minus 1. है ना? So this becomes 8 by 3 square is how much? 9 minus 1. Some garbad. This says that it should be increasing or decreasing, is an increasing function. Increasing function in theta. Now it's not said in x. So why? Where did we go wrong? What is wrong? 8 sin 0 0 cos 0 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 square is 9. 9 minus 1. हाँ ठीक है ना? So this will be 8 minus 9. 8 minus 9 will become negative. Something we have done wrong. Let's check. 2 plus cos theta whole square. 2 plus cos theta into 4 cos theta minus 4 sin theta into ddx of theta is 0. Cos theta is minus sin theta minus 1. Fine. So it is 4 is taken common. Fine. 4 is taken common. Here we have gone wrong. 1 minute, huh? That 4 and all made it wrong. 1 minute. So this step becomes 4 is common here and 4 is okay. We can take 4 common. Then you have 2 cos theta plus cos square theta minus this will be minus sin theta into 0 minus sin theta plus sin square theta divided by 2 plus cos theta whole square. Let's solve it completely. Let's not leave it at this place. So this makes it how much? Here is where I made the mistake. This is this 1 I forgot. It is 8 cos theta plus 1. Plus 1 nahi, it will be plus a, sorry. It's there is where the mistake happened. That's why it is not coming out. So this will be 1. So this is 2 cos theta. So it will be 8 cos theta plus 4 divided by 2 plus cos theta whole square minus 1. Now let's plug. Whenever these comes, always understand something you have done wrong. So this is 8 into 1 plus 4 divided by 2 plus 1, 3 square minus 1. So that is 12 divided by how much? 9 minus 1. So that's anyway positive. Okay. So this is positive. Now look for f dash pi by 4. Pi by 4. Okay. Pi by 4. 8 into 1 by root 2 plus 4 divided by 2 plus 1 by root 2, okay, whole square minus 1. You just have to show that this is positive. So how do you show this is positive? So we can write 8 plus 4 root 2 divided by root 2 into, so this becomes 2 root 2. So this will be root 2 square is 2, or this will be root 2 into root 2 divided by 2 root 2 plus 1. Okay, 2 root 2 plus 1. So a root 2 will cancel a root 2. Now what is the top value? Top value is 8 plus 4 into, sorry. So on our top we have now 8 plus 4 root 2 into root 2 divided by 2 root 2 plus 1. Okay. And then a minus 1 also. Can you show that this is more than 1? Let's show this. We have to show. So this becomes 8 root 2 plus 8 divided by 2 root 2. 8 root 2. Root 2 is 1.414. So this is almost 16. 16 divided by, this is anyway positive. Just check. Root 2 is 1.4. So this is, top is positive, bigger. This is any day more than 1, minus 1. So this is positive. So we can write this as positive. So here also the function is increasing. Here also increasing, and now we need to check for pi by 2. Shall we? We're going to check for pi by 2. So let's write f dash pi by 2. F dash pi by 2 will be, so this will be 8 into 0 plus 4 divided by 2 plus 0 whole square minus 1. This is quite easy. So this is 4 divided by 4 minus 1, which is 0. So function is still increasing because f dash x is at x equal to pi by 4 is equal to 0. Function is still increasing. So it is increasing from 0 to pi by 2. Tick. But we won't say it's strictly increasing. It's an increasing function. Prove that the logarithmic function is increasing on 0 and infinity. Logarithmic function fx equal to log x. Question number 10. Question number 10. This is increasing in 0 and infinity. Log functions are never negative, okay? So let's take f dash x is equal to 1 by x. Now f dash x is equal to 0. That is 1 by x is equal to 0, or x is equal to infinity. Now you have to prove that in this interval 0 and infinity, you are not touching anything. Obviously 1 by x, the function is 1 by x. So you need not do it as equal to 0. You just find out what is this value. See, here we need not do the critical points at all. We will just find out beta what is f dash x. F dash x is 1 by x. Now you are trying to check f dash x in 0 to infinity. Any positive number, 1 divided by any positive number is positive, right? So we write 1 by x is equal to positive for every x belonging to 0 infinity. Therefore f dash x is positive in 0 infinity. Therefore fx is increasing in 0 infinity. Okay. Achha, if you look at problem number 11, it is neither strictly increasing nor strictly increasing. So here you will get one more value, minus 1, 1, you will get a 0 as a critical point. So on this part, you may get an increasing, and on 0, 1, you will get a decreasing. It should be something like that. Let's check. Okay, can you narrate the function to me for this question? 1 minute, let me bring it near to me. Prove that the function given by fx equal to x square minus x plus 1 is neither strictly increasing nor decreasing on minus 1, 1. Neither strictly increasing nor decreasing on minus 1, 1. So f dash x is equal to 2x minus 1. Right? Now we take f dash x is equal to 0. We get 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So x is equal to half. The interval we have to check is check for minus 1, 1, but we got a critical point which is half. Half is a critical point. Okay, so let's check for first f dash of 0. If you take f dash of 0, then it is 2 into 0 minus 1, which is 0 minus 1 minus 1. So 0 is somewhere here. So in this part, the function is decreasing. Okay, half and 1. So you'll take 3 by 4. F dash 3 by 4 is 75, na? 0.75. 2 into 3 by 4 minus 1. So 3 by 2 minus 1. So 3 by 2 minus 1 is always positive. So here the function is increasing. So between minus 1, 1 it is neither increasing nor decreasing. Clear? Logic clear? Very good.